Hello traders, hope you are well. Today we have come up with a great topic for you. We have come up with a topic that will help you in various ways. Today we will share a small indicator. It is not for any analysis. Today we will share the indicator through which you can understand the market trend. There are many of us who don't understand the market trend, which means we can't figure out what position the market is in now. This is a big problem for many. Sometimes we do not understand whether the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend. This is a big problem, because when you do market analysis, you need to know about the current market trends. Because we often say don't go against the trend, there is a saying trend is your friend. But if we do not understand the current position of the market, then how do you take an entry, or how do you do analysis? So it is a big problem. Today we will share an indicator that will support you for a long time. Anyway, without further ado, let's start. You may know, I am an official member of Forex BD. I will explain everything today. What is that indicator? As I said, today, we will share such an indicator that the indicator will help you in various aspects, like through this indicator you will get an idea about the current trend of the market and also understand the market trend in each time frame. Yes, indeed, so in the market, there are many time frames, so this indicator will give an idea about the trend of all the time frames. So stay with us to understand this matter. On the screen, you can see that there is an indicator set up, and in the middle of it, there is a line like moving average. It will help us in analysis, and also on the left side there is a chart. We will get an idea about the market trend through this chart. We will present the whole thing and inform you about its benefits, so please watch this video till the end. If we look at the chart, we can see that time frame is written on one side and status is written on the other side. You must understand the value of the time frame, as there are 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes time frames, and in this way all the time frames are written. And next to it is the status, that is, in which time frame the market is in which position is written next to it. It's very interesting because by this way you can learn about market trends easily. As I said, it's more beneficial for those who look at the market and don't know where the market is. Like first we can see in 1 minute time frame, the market is in a downtrend. Then if we look in a 5 minute time frame, then we can see its status is uptrend. And we see in the following 4 time frames that the market is an uptrend. Similarly, the position of the market in each time frame is written here, so we can see everything when we look through this chart. We are now in the 15-minute time frame, and we can see that the market is now moving upwards, so it must be understood that the market is now in an uptrend. Now we come to 1-day time frame, where we can see the market is in downtrend, and we can see in the chart it says downtrend, so you can understand how accurately this indicator works. Finally, we come to the 1-hour time frame, and here we can see that the market is in an uptrend, and we can see in the chart that the uptrend is written. You can get help with this indicator like this. Hope you understand the point. Moreover, you can see a line in the chart. It is the super trend line. You must remember, there is an indicator in TradingView called Super Trend Indicator, and here is an indicator as well. When the market goes into a downtrend, a red color line is created here, and when the market starts to go into an uptrend, then a blue color line is formed below the candle. So by looking at these lines, you can understand what trend is going in the market, and with the help of this indicator, you can take entry. We will analyze with the help of this indicator, but we will show it in another video. Analysis can be done using this indicator, and this indicator gives very good feedback. Let's see how you can download this indicator and where to get it. The link of this indicator will be given in the description of this video. When you click on that link, a page like this will open. Those of you who have previously downloaded the indicator from this page or watched our video must know how to download the indicator from here. Click once on the download icon on the left side, then click Yes on the page that appears. By doing this, your MT4 platform will open and your indicator will be downloaded in a folder called Market. As we have downloaded it, here is written Open. Anyway, after downloading you will come to the Navigator option, then you will see a folder named Market. In the Market folder, you will have your desired indicator. So by clicking there you can set up this indicator. Do this exactly as we have shown in the video. There is no need to worry about opening an account here. You can open an account with just an email address and a nickname. When you click on the download option on this website, a page like this will appear and you will enter the name and email address. Open the account with these. They will send the account details to your email address and then you can log in with them. We have shown the topic in short. I hope you can understand by watching the video. Then this was today's video. I hope you understand the importance of this indicator. If you want, you can use this indicator for free. If you like the video, then please comment, or if you need any indicator, or any analysis, or any help, then comment us. ForexBD is always with you. We will make a request to you wherever you create an account broker house or payment gateway. You must use the ForexBD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pip spread. So be sure to account under the link given below, and if you like this video don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better, and if you have any suggestions you can leave a comment so that ForexBD can meet your needs all the time.